Hi everybody, thank you for clicking on my video. You'll have to excuse the yard work that's happening outside, the sounds. I mean, it is summertime, it's gonna happen, construction. So I'm going to be talking to you about my third one from my collection, and this is by the infamous house now, Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This is Aqua Universalis. Maybe you could see the lettering here. And this is the Eau de Toilette version. And this fragrance is a very popular one as well in his line, besides the Baccarat just kind of exploding in popularity. This fragrance I have is a 70 ml, and I'll post links down below where you can get it off the Maison Francis Kurkdjian website, as well as I believe FragranceNet, but I would get it off the website because I heard that they actually send you quite a bit of samples as well. This is about 140 euros, and there's also 200 ml of the Eau de Toilette for 275 euros, as well as a little small travel sizes as well. They just go to the website because you can see all the sizes and all the products that are available. They even make detergent of this scent for bright colors and for dark colors, which is great because I wear a lot of black. So I'm thinking about getting that one day. So this fragrance was launched in 2009. There is also Aqua Universalis Forte, as well as there's Aqua Celestia Eau de Toilette and a Forte version, and the Aqua Vitae Eau de Toilette and the Forte version as well. But this is what we're just referring to today. So this was one of his first fragrances that he came out with, and this is inspired by cleanliness, and they kind of market it as such a way on the website to promote just this like freshness about it and just the versatility of it. So they described it as it can be used for everywhere and for all times and all purpose. So yes, it could be your signature scent, could be your go-to, just when you want to smell clean and nice. So the top notes of it are bergamot and Sicilian lemon. Middle notes are lily of the valley and orange, and the bottom notes are light woods and musk. So there's not a lot of notes going on in this fragrance. Like I said, it's very fresh. I did spray it on this wrist about 3 hours ago. We'll do it on my other wrist for you, as well as this piece of paper. So let's get into it. So bottle is really, really nice, as you can see, just the regular traditional bottle, completely clear and translucent. Looks very, very elegant. And this lid has quite a bit of weight to it. It's got a pewter finish to it. Then it's got his logo right on the top here. Very elegant style. And the sprayer on these are always really good. So let's get into that. Okay. So first of all, the first thing I smell more than anything is lemon. That's what's going to happen with anything that is citrus based. You're going to smell the lemon before everything else. I do smell a little bit of lily of the valley, but it's not that present really. And some orange as well. Bergamot, of course. But it has this like soapiness about it. It absolutely does. It smells like a nice, fresh, clean body wash, just magnified. The light woods and musk is there for sure. I think the musk just gives it a little bit of depth and a little bit of staying power. So I'm going to spray it on my wrist. So on my wrist, it definitely smells like clean, like a shampoo, soapy kind of smell. I definitely pictured this fragrance being more so worn in the summer, but I can see it as being a fragrance that is your go-to when you don't know what to wear. Now this fragrance, my brother actually ends up using it quite a bit. I personally, when it comes to my taste, I wouldn't necessarily go out of my way to get this fragrance because it doesn't really get you incredibly noticed. This is a smell that you want if you want to smell clean, inoffensive, just ready for the day. So I'm going to smell it on this wrist where I sprayed it about 3 hours ago and let you know what that smells like. So at this time, I smell a little bit of the light woods and the musk, and that's pretty much it, and maybe a touch of the lily of the valley, because lily of the valley is a white floral and white florals tend to linger quite a bit. But it does get softer, but so the sharpness of like those citrus fruits are usually dissipated after about an hour. So, but I have had the opportunity to smell the laundry detergent. I wish I could give you a review on that. So I'm actually thinking about when I get some more money, getting the laundry detergent and giving you my review on that, because there's not a lot of reviews about the other body products from Maison Kurkdjian, and his fragrances are expensive, as you know. But if you wanted to see my Baccarat video on the body range line, then I can also put the link down below for you, as well as the Amyris pour Homme Extrait, which is getting a little bit of popularity nowadays, which is great because that's a great fragrance. But anyway, for the near future, I have 2 more videos coming up from the Maison Kurkdjian house, and I would love to bring you more for sure, because it seems to be growing quite a popularity, and I'm getting some really good feedback about it. So what I can tell you about this fragrance is, yes, if you want something like a go-to fragrance, you want a good quality house, something that's going to last relatively a while. I mean, for an eau de toilette, I mean, give or take, expect it to last a few hours max. But it depends on the notes too, because I have Gucci Rush, which is eau de toilette, and that lasts like 10 hours on me. It's crazy. But this fragrance, yeah, just give it a try. It's always readily available. When I was working in fragrances, we had quite a bit of it. And there's just quite a range for you to explore, quite a lot of products in this scent. Find the one that's right for you. And yeah, I just want to thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more videos. I also have a Patreon now account, and I'm willing to take any pledges or anything like that, because the more like funds that come in, the more I can go out and buy these fragrances and review them for you, because I have a whole list of fragrances I want to review, even going on my way to get samples, if that helps. And also I have my Instagram account. It's tonkacatsniffs. I will try to add more photos. Lately, family stuff has been pretty hectic lately, and just the transition from our city going from to stage 3 of reopening. But anyway, I will not bombard you anymore with this review. So have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.